Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of computer-aided design, or CAD, as detailed in a blog post from Shapar 3D. It's a wild ride.
I'm really excited. CAD is everywhere in modern engineering, but I never really thought about its origins. What's the gist?
Well, the Shapar 3D blog post, based on David E. Weisberg's book, The Engineering Design Revolution, highlights that tracing CAD's history is a monumental task spanning over 80 years. It's not just about software. It's about the people, the companies, and the evolution of computing itself. It's a truly epic story.
80 years? Wow. So where does it all begin? MIT, I'm guessing?
You're spot on. The blog post emphasizes MIT's crucial role in the early development of CAD. They were pioneers, laying the groundwork for many of the concepts we take for granted today. It wasn't just about drawing. It was about using computers to solve complex engineering problems.
I see. So from MIT's research, we get the first commercial CAD systems? Was it a smooth transition?
Not exactly. The blog post details the emergence of several key players like Applicon, Autotrol, and of course Autodesk with AutoCAD. Each company brought its own innovations, its own struggles, and its own impact on the industry. It was a competitive landscape, to say the least.
AutoCAD, of course, became a dominant force, but the blog post mentions many others. Computer vision, Intergraph. It seems like a whole ecosystem developed.
Exactly. And that's what makes this history so rich. It wasn't a single invention. It was a collaborative and competitive evolution. The blog post even touches upon the rise of parametric modeling and the impact of companies like PTC and SolidWorks. It's a fascinating tapestry of innovation.
It's amazing how far we've come. Now we have CAD software on iPads, and even in augmented reality with Apple Vision Pro, as mentioned in the blog post. That's a huge leap from the early days.
Absolutely. The integration of CAD with XR technologies, as highlighted by Shapar 3D's own work with Apple Vision Pro, is a testament to the ongoing evolution. It's not just about drawing anymore. It's about immersive design and collaboration. The future of CAD is bright and full of possibilities.
So the blog post is essentially a condensed version of a much larger book, right? It's a great way to get a quick overview of this important history.
Precisely. It's a fantastic resource for anyone interested in the evolution of engineering design. And it's freely available online, which is pretty amazing. Plus, it encourages contributions to cancer research, which is a wonderful touch.
That's a great way to give back. So, to wrap things up, this blog post provides a concise yet comprehensive overview of the history of CAD, highlighting key players, technological advancements, and the ongoing evolution of the field. It's a must-read for anyone in the engineering or design world.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of CAD. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.